I bet I guess what we're making.
What?
Something good.
You got it.
You got most of the
You got that.
major Cajun sausage, Kinders,
right?
Onion ranch, brown gravy, cream cheese.
We're making something great.
Rotel and tummies.
Yep.
And Skillet.
Hey y'all, it is a beautiful day in Branson, Missouri. I have my hunk of burning love with me. Oh wait, babe. Are you all, hold on. You're all twisted.
Oh God. This gets out of my career, be over. Alright, we're back.
Today we're gonna make Creole. Today we're gonna make Creole pasta skillet.
Sure about that? Tongue twister.
It was. Okay, so the first thing I've done is put some boiling water on the stove because I'm gonna boil some pasta. I'll show you what I'm doing. Can you grab those? Okay.
These aren't pasta, these are noodles.
I'm sorry, noodles.
Pasta is too much of a fancy word.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, that's the same difference.
Oh, it is?
I don't know.
But
Is that an
anyway,
egg noodle?
Egg noodles. These are egg noodles. Creole noodle skillet. Creole noodle skillet. That's
Did you
what
get these from the flea market?
No.
That looks like.
Creole noodle skillet. We're gonna boil these and get those ready in just a minute. But the first thing that we're gonna do is chop up our sausages. Now this, I'm not sure if this is gonna be too spicy for me or not. You could probably just use one package of this, but we're gonna use two. So there's
the more meat, the better.
Zatarans, but you can, if you don't like it too spicy, then just use regular.
This is probably going to be the best thing we've ever made.
You think?
Well, you got smoked sausage, brown gravy, onion dip, ranch dip, rotel,
It could
Tony's.
possibly be.
and a bag of flea market. That just looks like something. I don't know.
Anyway, okay,
Stuff you come up with.
here we go. I'm gonna let you go ahead and slice these up, just however thick you want them. Ours boiling, so we're gonna boil these for about 8 to 10 minutes. If you don't want to use this type of noodle, then get whatever you'd like, okay? Right here, baby. All right, so we're gonna start off with some butter in our skillet. And then I'm gonna just start putting in all of these spices that we have, all right? So we're gonna use some Tony's.
Why can't you get a regular can opener? How do you operate
Let me
that
open
space
this.
age deal?
This is just like this. It does work awesome.
What does that do? Oh, wow.
All right, so here we go. We're gonna get our butter going. I've got a couple of tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna put in a good tablespoon of Tony's. Now we're gonna put in a whole packet of ranch. Whole packet of ranch. Whole
Not
packet.
just any ranch. This is
We have
Kinder's.
Kinder's ranch. You can use Hidden Valley if you want. So a whole packet of that. Whole packet of onion, which you could use Lipton if you want to use Lipton. Whole packet of brown gravy. Come on with it.
This is Pioneer.
Pioneer.
Gotta give it a flick.
And then we're going to do a can of rotel, which I've used the mild. Thank you. Doesn't that look good?
So when you're done, you can just take this whole thing and throw it right in the ocean with your car battery. I'm just kidding.
All right, now we're going to add our sausage, which we have 2 packages, so you don't have to use this much sausage.
Or you can use more. It's your kitchen and your money. You can do what you want. There's no rules, right?
Right. All right, we're just going to cook this up and get a good sear on our sausages and let that cook really good. And we're going to open up a can of
Whip. I can't whip.
Chicken broth too while we're waiting. All right.
Get her
Let
done.
me get that. And a can of chicken broth. I'm not sure if I'm going to need 2 yet. I'm just going to kind of see how dry it gets, but we might need it. I'm not sure. Maybe not. I just didn't know. Since we have 2 packages of sausages, we probably won't. All right. Get that going.
Where'd you come up with this recipe? Just make it up? Or?
Well, I saw a recipe that looked kind of like it. It was a crock pot recipe that you had sent me, and then I thought, yeah, I don't have time for
who
that.
has time for a slow cooked meal?
And so I thought,
Which, I mean, you can
I'll
cook
just eat
anything.
it. Oh yeah, I love crock pot meals, but you know, we didn't have time for it. So, all right, let me turn this up a little bit. There we go.
Oh my gosh, that is looking so good and smelling so delicious.
All right, now I have some softened cream cheese, about 8 ounces. So I'm gonna put this in. Once we get this mixed in really good, our noodles are done, and then we're gonna throw those in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put in a package of our noodles.
Oh, they're gonna be wanting to serve this down there at the Olive Garden.
You're gonna put some cheese in it?
Heck yeah.
Okay,
Might as well.
I'm gonna grab some cheese. I got a little cheddar here. I'm gonna grate it up. We'll just throw that in for something extra. Dish it up.
Sorry.
No, that's, can you hold it?
Yeah,
Hold the
I
thing?
can do whatever.
Okay, thanks. All right. Okay.
Except for read minds.
There we go.
Well, what I was thinking.
Okay, there you go. Look at that. That looks so good. You can put the cheese inside of it if you want. All right.
Are we ready?
You got to tell me if it's too spicy or not, though. It's hot, I'm sure. Like,
That is good.
It is steaming.
Holy cow.
Is it spicy? It is spicy, isn't it?
Not at all.
You're lying. I think you should use regular sausages.
What'd you get?
I think you should use regular sausages.
Oh, no.
It's spicy to me.
That is good.
I mean, it's not too spicy, but I can feel it in my throat right now. Ooh, it's hot.
That is delish.
But it has really good flavor. I mean, super good flavor, right? It's very flavorful.
Yeah, it's, I mean, the brown gravy
The
and the
noodles are
ranch
good.
and the onion.
The sausage is too spicy for me, but all of that going on is so good. It really is. That's good.
If you're not a spicy person, just regular ground beef would be great in there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, just hamburger would be good. It's really tasty. A lot going on.
But the sauce
It's so
is
good.
killer.
You guys go make this. You're gonna love it.
Have it.
It's so good. Yeah. I mean, I like it.
I
You
don't
like
think
it?
they'll like it upstairs. I think I'll just take it straight home.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, guys, remember to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today, and come and see us right here at Local Flavor.
I like your little pin.
Thanks.
From the mayonnaise guy.
Yeah.